Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm ready for vacation, honey. Vacation. Okay guys, no, seriously, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back. Today's video, y'all, you guessed it. It's all about this right here, vacation hair. Like, I mean, obviously you can totally do this for a million other things, but I feel like this is really good vacation hair. Mind you, y'all, it's dry right now. It's giving me that wet look, but it's definitely dry. You can kind of control how much of a wet look you want to go for. Initially, you guys know I love curly hair when it's big, it's bold, and it's wild, but this time I just went for something longer and very tamed. I decided to go for a tamed look. Totally goes against everything that I stand for in life, but hey, we're gonna try something new for vacation, honey. Oh, I'm at the beach right now. Like, you can see it, right? In my bathing suit. I'll take another drink, please, thanks. Alright guys, if you'd like to find out how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. As well, you might want to watch to the end, y'all, because you may or may get a chance to win a unit of your own. What? Yes, so keep watching. Wait, but if you're new here, welcome to the tribe. You better hit subscribe. Oh, that's a new one. That's new. So this hair is from Wowebony.com, and this is their glueless lace front wig. It's the Brazilian curly. Now, in the beginning of this video, you saw it was like a looser kind of curl, but you can make it a bit tighter if you like, depending on how you diffuse it. So this is what it looks like fresh out the pack. I was actually very impressed with the curl. I thoroughly enjoyed it. The only thing I would say is that I wish that the cap had a little bit deeper space on the sides to do like a deeper part near the ear area. But other than that, I really like the color of the lace. I love the texture of the curl. And I felt like the density was really good for people who are very new to wigs and want something full but not something over the top. Because with curly hair, you can totally make it bigger and play with it. And it's got the 3 clips, you know, 2 around the front, 1 in the back for your security. So after I took her out of the package, I put on the mannequin head, I started opening her up. I wanted to see what the curls would kind of look like, how much volume I could get, because you guys know that's obviously what I prefer in life. But like I said, I was just going to do something different as opposed to the normal, you know, bigger, bold, curly hair. So yes, this hair will definitely get fairly big. You can definitely play with that. So the hairline on this unit doesn't come entirely pre-plucked. It's not super duper dense, but if you have a hairline like mine where it's like really, like your forehead's not very big for frontals, you definitely need to go in and kind of pluck it a little bit more to your liking just to customize it to meet your needs. So I did bleach the knots on this as well, but I didn't show it on the video because y'all, I didn't get to record it, okay? I'm sorry. And I have a lot of lace front application videos, so you guys can check out that playlist on my channel. So whenever my braid up under a wig is just a hot mess, I wear one of these caps. I don't typically wear them because the truth is, guys, they tend to dry out your hair, and I am an advocate of keeping my edges. So what I do to help protect my edges underneath there is I put the Jamaican black castor oil all over my edges before, and I actually put like a moisturizing cream all over my braid up before I put on my stocking cap, just to help counteract some of the dryness. Then I take a bit of my foundation. I actually use my liquid foundation to darken the cap just a bit. Now, I'm not going to be doing the full-on gel method with this by any means, y'all. I want to take this joint off at night, okay? So I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Matte in 420, and I'm just rubbing that all across the hairline from ear to ear so that it's a little bit darker and a little bit closer to my natural skin color. So once it was on, I had to kind of decide, what do I want to do? Do I want to do middle part, side sweep? I don't know, but I knew I needed to get it off my face a bit, and I wanted to tweeze a little bit more across the hairline, just to look so I could look a little bit more natural and to my liking. So whenever I tweeze, guys, I always wet it down and then tweeze my life away. Then I took my razor and created just a little bit of baby hairs. I don't want to overdo it. I just want to just a little bit around my edges. So once my indecisive self decided on the middle part, I went and tweezed that part just a little bit more. And then I used the Revlon Matte Color Stay in 410, I believe it is, just to kind of brighten it up just a touch, And as you guys can see, this hair can get pretty big. As much as in the beginning of the video, it looks super tamed and light and light. Look at it now. Boom. It could be pretty voluminous. Then I went and used the yellow Got2b gel and laid down my hairs, pushed them back. For me, because my hair forehead is not big enough, like I have to lay the gel on my actual hairline. Like I cannot put it too much in front just because it's gonna look crazy. Shout out to you if you also have a smaller forehead and the lace front life wasn't necessarily designed for you. When you're putting it on, the gel can be a little messy, but don't worry, that bad boy rinses off with water, or you can use a little alcohol and just clean it up after you're done. So once she was on and secure, I took some setting foam, so the Lotta Body setting foam, applied it at the top, started to mold it back because obviously this hair is all up in my face and we're going for off the face. So then I'm going to take 2 sections from the front of my head and we're going to just like create the illusion of the whole like hair being tucked back, because it's not going to be tucked back. It's actually going to be like a little ponytail that's going to sit underneath the hair, and then your hair is going to fall on top. So this is totally up to you how much hair you want to take back. You're going to make that section based on the shape of your face, based on the shape of your forehead, all that good stuff, and you'll choose how much hair you want to put back there, but you'll kind of section off those 2 parts in the front. You're going to make a pony in the back, leaving out your little sideburns and your 2 sections in the front. And you're going to take your 2 sections and you're going to swoop them back and create a little hidden ponytail underneath the bottom. Then I wet her down completely because now it's time to solidify and lock in these curls. So to keep them looking juicy and moisturized, I am using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse and the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So first I'm starting off with the mousse. I'm applying it everywhere, y'all. I'm not being sparing with it. I'm kind of just drenching, making sure that every curl is saturated in the mousse first. Then I took the curl smoothie and once again, not sparingly, pretty heavily, I applied that all over as well, y'all. From roots to ends, all the way down the shaft, making sure that it was nicely and neatly applied all throughout. Now, if you have time, let it air dry. If not, take your diffuser and go down the shaft of the hair. So traditionally, sometimes when you're diffusing, you kind of push up because you want that volume, you want all that body. But if you want to maintain that like defined and controlled look, then you just want to go down the shaft gently with your diffuser. And I did this till it was about 90% dry. And once it's dry, it's pretty much going to look exactly the same as it did when it's wet. I absolutely love this product combination for doing a curly wet look. It's definitely comes through, y'all. And it stayed like this. Like I went out this evening and it stayed like this the whole night. It was beautiful. And this look is great for vacation because you can wear it easily with hats, darling, okay? You can still have some texture, some curl, but a hat can fit on your head, which is lovely. Okay, guys, now for what everyone's been waiting for. It is giveaway time. Okay, so what do you have to do to win a unit from Wowebony of your own, honey? 1, you need to be subscribed. Therefore, this is only for tribe members, so you have to be a part of the tribe. Subscribed. Got it? 2, you need to be following me on Instagram. Right here. Solidify your tribe membership by joining me over on Instagram, and you need to follow Wowebony on Instagram as well, y'all. 3 things, but very easy clicks. Click, click, click. The winner will be announced in 3 weeks on my Instagram page. So if you are not following me on Instagram, you will not know if you won or not. So the winner gets their own whole entire wig, y'all. You will have your own of this free of charge, honey, free of charge. I mean, if that ain't exciting, I don't know what is. Who don't love a free wig? Fourth and final thing, I want to hear from you guys because I want to know who I'm giving this to and why. So therefore, comment below and let me know why you think you should get a free wig. It can be the most simple answer. Just be honest and let me know because I'm going to want to see pictures after you get it, okay? All right. All right, guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, especially if you want to win. Turn on those post notifications so that y'all know when I upload a video. Oh, okay? All right. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste!
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm